Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and others because Sago palm toxins are real. Put on gloves, eye protection, and keep pets away. Once secured, cut off all fronds about 1 to 2 feet from the trunk so you can see the base clearly. Make a clean, horizontal cut and leave a 1.5 to 2 foot stump if you plan to grind later. This gives you leverage and reduces sap flow. Now gather digging tools, a saw, and a tarp for debris before moving to root work. Once done with the top, focus on the roots because they anchor the entire palm and regrowth risks come from residual root tissue. Dig a trench 12 to 24 inches out from the stump, exposing primary roots. As you go, pull soil away to reveal thick anchors. Use a mattock or heavy-duty pruning saw to sever roots close to the trunk, working in sections so the stump loosens gradually. Make sure to wrap or tarp the root ball for safer lifting. If heavy, cut further roots and use leverage or equipment. You finish by removing the loosened stump. For smaller palms, lever it out with a pry bar, and for large ones, use a winch or mini excavator to avoid injury. Once removed, backfill the hole with topsoil and pack it down. Add compost or mulch to restore the bed. Monitor the area for any new shoots over the next 6-12 months and remove them immediately. If regrowth persists, grind the stump or apply a targeted stump treatment. This troubleshooting step stops resprouting without re-excavation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.